This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Edward Charles Beaker. Welcome to the paradise of Palmetto FL in the Gillette Grove community. Well-maintained 3-bedroom 2-bath 2-car garage home in the heart of Palmetto. All upgrades include new air conditioner, air handler and condenser, with UV light installed July 22, 2022, new garage door opener, waterproof flooring throughout, baseboard replaced, paint throughout, new kitchen and laundry appliances, new plumbing fixtures in wet areas, new front entry door master bed and kitchen French doors, and privacy shades at windows. Gillette Grove has no CDD, low taxes, and low semi-annual HOA fees. This property provides easy access to I-75 and I-275 and all other major roadways, making it a commuter's dream. Schedule your showing today.